Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to learn fast English grammar. Begin by mastering the core building blocks. Focus on understanding the 8 parts of speech, such as nouns and verbs, which are essential. Next, grasp basic sentence structure, including the subject, verb, and object. Finally, practice the 3 most common verb tenses, present, past, and future, to form simple sentences correctly. This foundational knowledge is crucial for rapid progress. To accelerate your learning, immerse yourself in English daily. Dedicate at least 30 minutes to reading English materials like books or news articles. Spend another 30 minutes listening to podcasts or watching television shows with English subtitles. Crucially, practice speaking for at least 15 minutes with a native speaker or a language partner to apply what you learn in real conversations. Once you have the basics, target specific grammar areas that often cause confusion. Concentrate on mastering subject-verb agreement, ensuring your verbs match your subjects. Dedicate time to understanding prepositions, as they can significantly alter sentence meaning. Also, learn the precise rules for using articles like a, an, and the to enhance your accuracy. Continuous review and feedback are vital for solidifying your grammar skills. Set aside 10 to 15 minutes daily to review previously learned rules. Write short paragraphs, perhaps 100 words, and ask a teacher or native speaker to correct them. Keeping a grammar journal, noting your recurring errors, will help you identify and overcome your specific challenges efficiently.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.